Hi guys, in this video I am going to show how to add a contact form in WordPress using Ninja form. Let's say you have a visitor on your website and he wants to send you some message. So you can set that by adding a contact form in your website. After watching this video, you will learn how to set up a contact form on your website like this. So, my name is Asad from wteach.com and I am going to show you how to do that step by step. So, let's get started. The first step is installing a plugin named Ninja Form. Get into the WordPress dashboard. Then go to Plugins and Add New. Then search for Ninja Form. Once you have found that, then click on Install Now. Then activate that. The second step is to set up that form. Now click on Ninja Form, then Add New. Then click on Blank Form. As you can see, there are a lot of fields which you can easily add to the form. In my case, I need the name, so I click on first name. I also need email, so I click on that. I need a radio list, so I click on that. And I need a comment box, so I click on the paragraph text. And the last one is submit button, so I click on that. To edit them, just click on that item and customize as you want. In the radio list, you can add a new item. To add a new item, click on the plus icon. So I don't need that, so I remove that. You can set it as required field by click on here. Once you are happy with the changes, then click on done. Then click on publish. Then give a form title. Then click on publish. Okay, the form is created successfully. You can change the place by drag and drop like this. To see the form, click on preview form. As you can see, the form is successfully created. The third and final step is to add the form to a page. To do that, get back to the WordPress dashboard. Then click on the page and add new. Give a title and click on the plus icon to find the forms. Search for Ninja Form. Once you have found that, then click on that. Let's select a form which you have created before from the drop down. Then click on publish. Let's view the page. And here you are. If you want to hide this title, then get back to the WordPress dashboard. Then go to Ninja Form. Then go to recent created form. Then click on advanced. And then display settings. Turn off display form title. And click on done. Then click on publish. Then preview the form. As you can see, the form title has gone. Let's check the form if it is working or not. Yes, it is working properly. Now, if you want to add this form in Elementor based page, then what to do? It's pretty easy. To do that, get back to the WordPress dashboard. Before that, if you are new here, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more tutorials like this. Give a like to this video and comment below if you have anything to say. Then open a page which is created with Elementor. Click on Edit with Elementor. Now choose a place where you want to add it. Let's say I want to add it here, so I click on the plus icon. Then search for shortcode on the left side. Just drag and drop it here. Now you need to copy the shortcode of the recently created form. To copy that, get back to the form. Then go to Ninja form. Here is the shortcode and just copy the shortcode. Then get back to the Elementor and paste it here. Then click on apply and click on update. Let's click on the preview icon to view the changes. And here it is. Let's check the form if it is working or not. It is working properly. So this is how you can create a contact form using Ninja form in WordPress. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay connected.